Bye, Georgie. Hey. Bye, buddy. I gotta go work, bud. What you gonna do? You gonna go hang out at the shop? Good boy.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there.
So, good morning, guys. It is October 23rd, I believe. 23rd or 24th, but it's a Friday. It is snowing, you guys. It's nothing sticking like to the pavement. It's just still too warm, but it's starting to stick on the grass. So some white. I think this weekend they're talking a chance of snow up to 6 inches, you guys, on Sunday. So I think what we're gonna do today is we are gonna hook up our plows just in case and stuff like that for Sunday. And so right now I'm heading out to the shop. I gotta get fuel, you guys. I think I'm just gonna see if they got #1 fuel and go and fill up our fuel tank up there at our new shop. I think I'm gonna see if I can get like 200 gallons put in there for now.
We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight.
So yesterday I just got some like hand wash, you guys, for the shop, and then I picked up a monitor, a TV monitor, to have there so we can stream, music and have YouTube running, playing in the background while we're working in there and stuff. And it's just nice to do that. So we're gonna hook that. This is what our old shop looks like since we got it cleaned up. We have the T595 still in here. So look at that, you guys. It's all cleared out. It's all empty. Well, most of its stuff is out, but it feels like we have a big space here now. Not sure what we're gonna do with it. It's insulated. If we get heat in here, could be something. But for now we got the T595 in here. Once I don't know if our landscaping season's over yet, but once that is over, you guys, I know it feels like it's over. And once that's over, we're gonna move this up to the new shop and put the SB200 snowblower on that. And this T595 will only have the snowblower. So yeah. So that's what's gonna happen. But if any of you guys got any good ideas of what I should do in this room, this shop, let me know. So I'd like to get some ideas from you guys. There you go, Michael. They didn't have a look if those work, but I bought that, so it should work. Alright guys, so here's the tool that I got. Been looking for these. You can just roll it up when you're done. It's easier to keep organized. So got some standard and then got metric. Big crescent wrench. I think this opens up to 15 inch. Yeah. Getting it, Michael? Get that out. You pulling it through? Okay. Yeah, that kid's gonna start. If it snows Sunday, we'll just have him. If we got free time, we'll just get him on a skid loader. This kid going to college, so yeah, we'll get all this hooked up. Put that on, get it all ready, just in case.
Okay.
And then I think we're gonna hook up the plows too on that one, and our other truck. So that trailer that's down there,
Yeah.
I don't know if you can fit it in the back if it's not too muddy back there.
Okay. Take off, put it down there.
Yeah, put it down there for now. So yeah, we'll hook everything up, get everything ready. So the diesel guy's coming to fill that up. It's number 1. So we can go ahead and fill these guys up too.
Okay.
All the
Do you
skids.
have the lock off of it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the lock off of it now, so when he comes, fill it up. Alright, you guys, we are gonna get ready for the snow. Snow is coming Sunday, and then I just hired another kid, so we're gonna train him on the skid loader. If not, he's gonna help us shovel, so we'll need that. Alright guys, so we're gonna get 200 gallons of diesel fuel here. I gotta unlock it so they can get in. Alright, got that unlocked. They can fill that. Right now we have we don't have much, just like a quarter of a tank, but they'll fill it up. So is that working?
What's that? It's on, yeah. I'm
Okay.
taking snow off. We've got flat tire and over and flat.
Okay.
I'm on a class.
Hey, can I borrow your ball on your truck?
Oh,
Your-
my hitch?
Yeah, your hitch, your ball.
Yeah.
your
I'm like,
hitch.
borrow your ball? Like, borrow say female, thank you very much.
Because
Yeah,
that's,
go ahead.
I think the smaller ball, we don't have it. We got to bring that boat over here. Cork's boat, or that boat. I don't know.
A boat.
It's over there.
But I put my fishing.
Yeah.
My boat. I've never even used it, but I feel like bought it.
Somebody got a gift wrap?
Oh, yeah.
So funny.
Why is it like stuck to my face? Nothing.
You like that shirt, don't you, Georgie?
He does.
What you doing, Georgie? Alright guys, so I've had that EXT, Boss EXT for like 3 years, 2 years, 3 years. This is going to be a first time changing the blade, the cutting edge on it. It probably needed to be changed since last year, but we're going to do it this year, get that changed, get it ready. There's a lot to do, you guys. I mean, Sunday, you guys, Sunday we're gonna get more snow. It's like Minnesota weather, well, the Midwest weather, you guys. You never know what's gonna happen. So, you know, it's just got to get prepared for it. And who knows, you know, we might have this snow, and next thing you know, it warms up. We're back out doing fall cleanups. You know. But it's like that in-between time. I don't know if any of you guys go through it. In between seasons, where you're either trying to figure out if you're gonna do cleanups or you're gonna do pushing snow. So it's just one of those deals. And so a lot of customers, I guess, they've got to understand. Well, customers, they definitely have to understand. You know, it's weather season. The weather just, you can't control the weather, and there are customers that don't understand that, which is fine. You just don't do what you can, you know, do your best. And if clients don't understand weather and stuff happens, you know, you just let them know that it's just, if they can't wait, you know, if they can't wait for your service, then it's their choice, you know, to go somewhere else. So, but you do your best and you just keep plugging away. Alright guys, we're going to start hooking up the plows. Oh yeah. Gonna get ready for this weekend. Alright guys, so we are hooking up for this weekend and we gotta get this ready. We gotta change the plate on that too. You wanna come in a little bit more, push it a little more. This side, just come in just a little bit. Okay, good. Is it all the way down, Michael? It's that freaking wire. That freaking wire. Yeah. Dude, I think we're gonna have to get a new this wire right here, these two. Just open that box, yeah. I'll get it like that. Alright. Michael, let me get that thing up quick. Okay. Alright guys, we got the EXT hooked up and now we're supposed to get 3 more pallets of salt to store here by next week. So let's see here, we'll have to bring another truck in to get that one. So we got some dielectric grease. Do we need some grease in there? I don't know. Just park this guy in here, Michael. Alright guys, we got the plug on finally. Should be able to back that one up here, or we'll back it up here. Oh man, can't believe we're getting ready for snow ready, guys.
We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't
guys, so we just picked up a few accounts here just for Sunday, you guys.
Could have at least warmed your
Taking
truck
the
up
girls.
for us,
Do
dude.
some of these muffins.
Eat it.
That freaking
Not
cute
now.
wrapper.
Last week, maybe.
Ew, are those almond joys?
Yeah, it's good, dude.
Dude,
Oh
those
my
are nasty.
god, almond joy is like my
Nasty.
favorite candy.
Yeah.
Can I have some, bro?
They're not
I just
cute.
bought it.
Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't.
So we're gonna go look at this 3 townhomes. Well, 2 of them I used to do. And we gotta go pick up Michael.
We can take a nap.
This one's just for Sunday, you guys. And then hopefully we pick up all 3 townhome sites. So get ready to snow, bro. Or snow plow. You ain't sleeping.
Take a nap. How many minutes is it gonna be?
I was gonna call you somebody.
Dude, you forgot your gloves,
Yeah,
bro.
you probably should.
You dropped your gloves on the road.
Sorry,
I
guys.
need some gloves,
I know.
actually.
So we're gonna go pick up Michael and then we're gonna just drive around. So have some almond joys and muffins.
Yuck. Some more gloves. Where is
I know.
Marty
These
at?
muffins, I'll finish off the almond joys.
I'm good, dude. That Taco John's is. You
I know.
freaking American.
That guy waved to you.
Did you? I did.
You got a boyfriend.
Somebody like
Look at that,
The trees look
Look at the
pretty.
trees.
Are they frosted
dude.
up
Yeah,
here?
they're
or
frosted, bro. Look at the trees. It's so cold here. This is
Why is it so cold on this side of town?
Alright, let's go, you guys. Give the girls a tour.
Dude, what is up with this shit?
That's just ice.
that water?
Yeah, that's water.
Dang.
What you think about this shop?
Hey, there's Michael.
You like this shop?
The new guy?
Yeah, that's a new guy.
That's nice all the stuff will thaw out.
I know, dude. Ain't gotta freaking go in cold. Look at this. Hopefully we get to use it this Sunday. So what? That's a dock.
Oh, I'm like looking at the door and looking at the truck.
No, it's all got to go out this way. Right? Everything come out right? Should be- Oh, the hose. Where's the hose? Oh man. Yeah, that should work still. Yeah,
That one.
that one grounded down pretty far, dude. Okay. All right, let's go tour our one day snow push.